We're now going to be looking at how to simplify radicals with the quotient rule. And normally quotient means divide, so you're going to take the square root of the top number and the square root of the bottom number. When I look at this, I have to ask myself, can I simplify 25 and 36? Like a normal fraction, can I simplify that? In this case, I can't. So what I'm going to do is I notice that it's dividing 25 by 36. So I'm going to take the square root of 25 and the square root of 36. So the square root of 25 is 5. The square root of 36 is 6. So that would be my final answer. Now this next one, I asked myself, can I simplify 3 and 64? And I can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the square root of 3 and the square root of 64. The square root of 3 would just remain 3 over the square root of 64 is 8. So this would be my final answer. For example 9, I have to see, okay, can I take out something from 40 and 81? And I'm looking and I don't think I can. So I'm going to take the square root of 40 on the top, take the square root of 81 on the bottom. Well, I know the square root of 81 is 9, but I'm looking at 40 and I always have to ask myself, can I simplify it further? And in this case, I know that the greatest perfect square value is 4 times the square root of 10. So 4 is the greatest perfect square value I can take out. So it would be 2 square root 10 divided by 9. Now, I always want to keep looking at my answer to see if I can simplify this further, and 2 and 9 don't go together, so this would be my final answer. This last one, I have the square root of 18 and 25. Again, I have to ask myself, can I simplify 18 and 25? I can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the square root of 18 and take the square root of 25. Well, I know the square root of 25 is 5, but the square root of 18 I can actually simplify, and I know that that's the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. Well, I know the square root of 9 is 3 times the square root of 2 over 5. I have to ask myself, can I simplify this any further? And I can't, so I'm going to leave it as 3 times the square root of 2 divided by 5.